What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. I just want to thank you, everybody that's subscribed. If you're not subscribed, hit that sub button. I just want to let you guys know that in the top of my banner, I got some links over here, and also the same links, and there's some more links in my description. Just check them out. Every video, there's gonna be some links in the description that's gonna help you guys out. But for further ado, let's look at my sales update and how things are going today. Right now it is 10:50 a.m. in Seattle, Washington, West Coast time, Pacific time. Um, so so far today I've got one sale, and I'm super excited about the shirt that sold because it's one that I put up actually yesterday. And you know, yesterday when I touched on, you know, it's time for everybody to sit down and write down, the things that they really enjoy, their hobbies, the things that they are, the things they're scared of, just combine and find these niches that we actually enjoy, these niches that we're not going to get tired of, okay? So, that is my biggest suggestion for you guys this week because I just sat down and did that, and 3 or 4 shirts that I already posted since I decided to do that a couple days ago have already sold. So hopefully this is about to catch momentum. I'm getting more things ranking. So like this shirt right here, this first one, it's never sold before. This shirt right here never sold before, and this one never sold before, and this is my best seller right here. So that's my greatest suggestion to you guys, is to definitely get close to those niches that you really love and enjoy, those niches that you don't have to do research on because you already know the keywords, because that's the lifestyle that you're living, and they're just easy for us. So that's what I've done, and hopefully I'm about to catch some momentum. I'm definitely ranking shirts that has never sold, so um, let's hope they sell again. They're all up for $17.99. Um, I haven't put anything else for $13.07 since this month started, so we're gonna see where that goes. Um, they've all been standards because the rules are changing for merch, so all of the designs that I'm putting up are just for standard shirts. So when the change comes in, it'll be easy for me to adapt and have many designs already up and be able to just select, other fit types later on, but I already have the designs down. So I'm trying to knock out as many designs as I can. I outsource. I make a lot of my designs, and I also outsource. It's important to do both once you've kind of, get into higher tiers, because, if there's any way that you can fast up your workflow, then, why not? Don't be afraid to invest in yourselves. Because I know every dollar I put towards what I'm going towards, I'm gonna get it back. So, um, 4 women and 3 7. So I said 3 7. I'm kidding. So 4 women and 3 men shirts. Um, so this is gonna be interesting because the market that I told you guys I'm gonna enjoy because it's so close and dear to me. I'm probably gonna get a lot more women buying them. So I'm eager to see how this goes. So far, so good. I'm liking the strategy that I'm going into this with. Um, but yeah, so I've been ranking some new shirts. So every time you ever see me get a zero royalty, that means that it it hasn't sold, and it sold for the first time. But of course, I change all these. Um, And then these are the new, like I said, these are the new shirts that sold, um, that I just put up like 2 days ago. Like, one of them actually, the one I sold today, I actually put up yesterday. So, um, yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Let me show you yesterday. I mean today, actually. So yeah, here's one that I just put up. Um, I wonder if I can show you guys when I posted this, because I just be wanting to be very transparent with you guys, because people be on here capping, man, just straight up capping. But this is one of the shirts I really put up yesterday. It's either yesterday or the day before, but I really think this is the one I put up yesterday. But either way, that is quick. That's a quick sale, you know. When you get a sale within a week, then you know that's really good. So, um, I'm gonna continue to press and to push products in this niche that I really enjoy, because you know obviously that's already working for me. So hopefully I catch a great momentum shift. And most of the time merch is really about momentum. You get one sale, okay, that's a new shirt ranking. Oh shit, that shit told two more times. You know, so this number is probably 86. It hasn't updated, but I'm trying to get products with sales, you know, at least to 100, you know, before, you know, the change comes. Probably won't be able to do that. But hopefully they just tear me up to tier 1000, which I'm not going to be too mad if they don't tear me up now, because I'm already going to have 200 more design slots, which, you know, that'll keep me busy for a while. So I'm not tripping. As long as I'm set up good when it comes to Q4, I already know I'm going to be in tier 1000. I might be knocking on tier 2000 by that time. So, yeah, I'll definitely be right around tier 2000, probably around September. Yeah, so that's the goal. I really want to hit tier 2000 before Christmas. Um, but if I don't, I'm not gonna be upset. But I know by the end of the time Christmas is over, I know I'll be in tier 2000. When I was in tier 100, and then I hit tier 500 like in the middle of like around Christmas time, and I sold 137 products, and I only had like 100 live. So, um, I'm gonna attack the same niche that I did last year for Christmas time, because people still haven't realized that niche, and I'm happy, and I'm gonna exploit it, and I'm going to be uploading early. Probably start uploading Christmas designs in July, and we gonna have a wonderful Q4. So, that's how my account is going today. Man, you guys just hit that sub button. Um, Comment below, give me some feedback. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, and I'll definitely make sure that I get them done and get them out to you guys. But that's all I got for today. Until next time.